Good morning to everyone. My name is Rakshitha K. I am from Computer Science and Design Department from first year. My startup company proposed name is FIMAC. Product present name is AIIC CCTV. A stands for automatic, I stands for integrated, I stands for intelligent, C stands for chip. Product proposed name is CCTV. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, small in size. Size should be small compared to the size of the present CCTV. Automatic phone call. Phone call should be done when the crime takes place on the spot automatically like a robot. Define. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of the customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is AIIC CCTV. Futuristic product name Miniature Tape. Ideate. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here, that is, ideas. First, small robot eye attached to it. Second, product protector needle. Third, carrier that can be attached to any way. Fourth, can capture anything, a small information also. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.